Trapezoidal rule is a to b f of x dx equal to h by 2 in a bracket y0 plus yn. Yn is the first value, yn is the last value which will be given in a table, plus 2 into bracket remaining value after y0 and before yn. Means y0 first value और yn last value है, एंड y1 to yn माइनस 1 ये इन बिटवीन वैल्यूज है जो y0 एंड yn के बीच में रहेंगे. एंड h इक्वल टू b माइनस a अपॉन n. n इज टोटल नंबर ऑफ इंटरवल्स. अब ये क्या होते हैं, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू इन अ एग्जाम्पल. क्वेश्चन 1. यूजिंग trapezoidal rule, evaluate approximate value of a to b root x dx given by x y equal to root x. If I will put x is 0, sorry, there is a correction, 0 to 4, x lower limit will start with x0. If x is 0, then y is also 0. If you will put x0 in under root, root 0 is 0. When x is 1, y equal to root 1 is again 1. When x is 2, root 2, replace x by this 2. Root 2 is 1.4142. When x is 3, put here x is 3, root 3 is 1.7321. When x is 4, put root 4 is 2. This is a question. X has given, y also has given. Here no need to find this table. Table is already given in the example. ठीक है. If you b is upper limit of the integral, that is 4, a is lower limit of the interval, divided by, as I told you, interval, there is 1 interval, 2 interval, 3 interval and 4 interval. So n equal to 4, 4 by 4 is 1, then h equal to 1. So I will use all the values in a formula. So I am writing this one. Our example is 0 to 4 root x dx is h by 2. Here h is 1, then it is 1 by 2 into bracket. y0 is first value from table, that is 0. yn is last value from table, our last value is y4, that is 2, plus 2 into remaining values between y0 and yn. Here y0 and y4 are the first and last value, and between values are y1, y2, y3. So I will use these value. y1 is 1 plus y2 is 1.4142 plus y3 is 1.7321. So I am going to rub this part because I have used these values by using calci. First, you have to calculate all the values. Add this one. 2 plus 0 is 2 plus 2 into remaining values. 1 plus 1 is 2.4142 plus 1.7321, bracket complete. First you have to add these two values. multiplied by 2, then add these two, equal to, then divided by 2. You will get its answer is 5.1642. Calc is must. You also have to check all the calculation. Use Calc. When you will solve the example, use Calc and you have to cross verify with my answer whether it is correct or not. Okay? So this is first example from trapezoidal rule. Now the second question, evaluate 0 to 6 dx by 1 plus x square using trapezoidal rule by using following data. At x, function is y equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. See, lower limit is 0. I will start with 0. This table already it has given in question. So when you will put x equal to 0, see 1 upon 1 plus 0 square is 1. When you put x is 1, 1 upon 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 by 2 is 0.5. When you put x is 2, 1 upon 1 plus 2 square, that is 1 by 5, answer is 0.2. When you put x equal to 3, 1 upon 1 plus 3 square, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 by 10 is 0.1 and so on. See, it has started from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Space नहीं है इसलिए I have written here. So here y0 starting value, y0 is 1, y1 is 0.5, y2 0.2, y3 0.1, y4 0.588, y5 0.0385 and y6 0.027. ठीक है, सबसे पहले तुम इनको असाइन करो y with different suffix. Solution. Trapezoidal rule is a to be f of x dx h by 2 in a bracket y0 plus 1 means start value and last value. यहाँ पे start value 1 है और last value 0.027. वो यहाँ पे आएंगे plus 2 into remaining values between y0 and y6. कौन कौन से आएंगे? y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. वो सारे वैल्यूज इस ब्रैकेट में आएंगे. सो आई वॉन्ट h हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. a इज लोअर लिमिट 0. इट हैज गिवन एन एग्जाम्पल. लोअर लिमिट इज 0, अपर लिमिट इज 6 एंड n इक्वल टू 6. टोटल नंबर ऑफ इंटरवल सी 0 to 1 एक इंटरवल हो गया, 0 to 2 सेकेंड इंटरवल, 0 to 1 फर्स्ट इंटरवल, 1 to 2 second interval, 2 to 3 third interval, 3 to 4 fourth interval, 4 to 5 fifth interval and 5 to 6 6 intervals. That's why n equal to 6. Formula क्या है? h equal to 6. pi by 6 means 30. Cos 30 is 0.866. When x is pi by 3 means 60. Cos 6 is 0.500. When x is 90, that is pi by 2, then cos 90 is 0. It has already given here. डायरेक्ट वैल्यूज वी हैव टू यूज. हमें अलग से कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल असाइन y with their suffix. First one y0, second is y1, first y0, y1, y2, y3. Interval is 0 to pi by 6 first interval, pi by 6 to pi by 3 second interval, pi by 3 to pi by 2 is third interval, means n equal to 3. There are 3 intervals, therefore n equal to 3. So by using trapezoidal rule, a to be f of x dx h by 2 in a bracket y0 plus 1 first value and last value from the table plus 2 into remaining values between y0 and y. Here a equal to 0, b equal to pi by 2. It has given in example a is 0, b pi by 2, n equal to 3. कहाँ से आया है? इस टेबल से. First interval, second interval and third interval. Therefore n equal to 3. Now we have to calculate h. h is b minus a upon 2. b is pi by 2, a is 0, pi by 2 upon 3. See, numerator's denominator will shift in denominator. It will get multiplied with 3. 2 3 is 6. Pi by 6. Now I will use all the values in this formula. After this one, I am putting these values in the formula. Therefore, after this step, you have to write this step. 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. A is 0, b is pi by 2, f of x is cos x. H is pi by 6 divided by 2 into bracket. Y0 means first value 1, yn is last value, that is y3, that is 0, plus 2 into remaining values. There are only two values, y1 and y2. I will write in a bracket 0.866 plus 0.500, bracket complete. Same. See, this denominator will shift in denominator. It will be pi by 12. Same. Calculate. Solve the bracket. See, you have to add these two values and multiply by 2. Then add with 1. Then divided by pi by 12. So here, after solving, suppose 1 plus 2.732. Here pi you have to take 3.142. So calculate this one. After calculation, 5 is 3.142 divided by 12 into bracket 3.732. So answer is, I will rub this one, so I don't require these values. So now final answer is, after this step, final answer is 0.977. So in this way you have to calculate. Add these two. पहले इनको ऐड करना है, फिर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, देन 1 के साथ ऐड करना है, देन 3.142 पाई की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 3.142 ले रहे हैं, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, देन डिवाइडेड बाय 12 करेंगे, यू विल गेट 0.977 is the final value of 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. So this is an example. Similarly,